Wrap around the base of the tree.
God. Did you get that?
Yeah, I got that.
We're sending that to American College fun video there, buddy.
What'd you just do?
I slipped and fell.
That's going to the minus video.
Push the little bit.
Scroll, bottom. I wrote quotes. Here, Brent. Oh, there, wrap around that. Take off her.
You better keep this on Brent.
Yeah. Might want some money.
Yeah, fall again.
Oh, my knife.
I think that's all you need, huh?
Get a picture of her head.
Yep. You want some stick?
Let's get it.
That'd be pretty matter, wouldn't it?
Yeah. Take her pretty
Okay?
head. Take her pretty head.
That's the first deer you ever killed with a bow and arrow?
Second.
Second one?
Okay, that's enough.